So I had to remake this video. I made a video earlier showing how you could copy the measurement distance to clipboard. I just found out it wasn't Control C you used to copy, you have to click on it. So what you have to do is you find whatever you want to measure, like I said in the previous video, which I probably removed by now. Click measure on the inspect menu, and then you click the first point, and then you click the second point while holding control, and you get the measurement. If you press Control C here, nothing happens. But if you hold your mouse over the distance here, nothing here, but here. If you left click it once, you can see that the white goes black. And now you will see that the measurement is in clipboard. So that is how you copy the distance in Fusion 360 using the measurement tool, so you don't have to manually type in all the digits. Hope that helps.